Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to obtain business license or permit for food manufacturing unit in Punjab. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now here, to enter your name of the company or organization, then enter the address, select the state, district, sub-district, PIN code, GST number, CAN number, PAN number, and then click on the Save and Next button. Next, you have to fill the product selection, and then you have to fill the communication details. Then you can upload all the necessary documents, and you can pay the amount in online mode itself. So after successful completing the payment, a receipt will be generated within a 17-digit reference number. Make a print of it and keep it safe for future reference. And you can track the application through the home page. This application will be processed by them and they will notify you through your email or by SMS. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. Then in fee section for more fee details, please use this link. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us so we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.